And disgraced cyclist Lance Armstrong raising some eyebrows again today. He is now saying that his former sponsor, the U.S. Postal Service, should have known that he was doping. I want to talk more about Armstrong's claims, the merits of the lawsuit. Domenic Romano is a sports and entertainment lawyer. And, it sounds pretty outrageous when you think about the claims here that he says, you guys should have known. Didn't you know?
In audacity, it's unmatched. I mean, he's saying, I lied. And you should have known that I lied, and I was guilty until proven innocent. I haven't been proven innocent. Actually, I admit lying, but I get to ride away into the sunset with $18 million. Agency of the U.S. government, see you later.
So how's that going to fly?
Argument.
How's that going to work? I mean, does that kind of argument stick at all?
I can't imagine a judge accepting a motion based on that premise and dismissing this lawsuit and not allowing it to go forward. I mean, he says this morning in that interview that he had no idea the public would react this way. It's his advisors must be tone deaf. I don't know who's spearheading his team, but it doesn't seem like they're in touch with the public.
Dominic, have we ever seen this before, where there's a similar case by either a celebrity or an athlete who thinks, well, you should have known better, and this is my argument?
Yeah, his argument is basically, there were $30 million of exposure. There were lots of spectators at the events, and you didn't conduct independent investigation into my credibility, into my veracity, into my telling you the truth, into my, performing the contract that I should have. In 20 years of being an attorney, I've never heard that argument made, much less been made successfully.
And how many years was he being untruthful, that he was actually lying about his drug use?
Well, it goes back to the 1990s. I mean, we're not talking about one or two instances here. And the government's position is that they asked him about it during that whole investigation in 2000, when this contract was renewed in the year 2000. They asked him and his team, and they said, no, we're clean. We haven't been cheating. We haven't been doping. This is just the French authorities. And now we're seeing the result.
Does it make a difference whether or not he was lying under oath or not, if he says, well, you should have known during this time, but not this time?
Yes, it does make a difference, and there could be other consequences. So it's quite a remarkable legal strategy.
All right, Domenic Romano, thank you so much. We appreciate it. We'll be following that closely.